Hi there, welcome to another episode of ABC Useful Tip. In this short video, we're going to show you this wonderful new feature of Google Form, and that is the ultimate autosave function. Been waiting for, many teachers has been requesting, right? So that at any one time when a student were to answer any of the Google Form quiz and halfway through power shortage or something happened and they were just suddenly locked out of the form, they will still have whatever they have typed in saved into their account. In the past, if such thing happened and they just suddenly locked out of the form, they would lose all the information. Okay, so today this is going to show you how this function is also available in a log mode, in the beta mode in Google Form during tests. Okay, this log mode is available for school accounts where the students, when using Chromebook, are able to access this log mode so that they cannot be able to access to other information and to internet, okay, during a assessment. All right, so in this case, I'm going to show you that this autosave function is also available there. So let's just take a look. To be first to be notified of future useful EdTech video, please remember to click subscribe at the bottom and also click the notification bell and give us a like and maybe some comments of how you can use it, right? Then we'll dive right in. So the student will go into a quiz that is locked, or test in that case. They start the quiz. Yep, not every account is will have that available if because they're rolling out phase by phase or location by location. So how do we know that you have that function available? And this is how you will see. You will see this cloud over at the top right hand corner of the form. Okay, when you see this cloud, meaning auto function is available. Okay, so let's say the student fill in the information G, okay, and then write with answering a question, maybe an MCQ plus maybe open-ended. Okay, and halfway through something happened. The information and whatever answer they have already keyed in will be saved. And how do you know that? You will see at the top right hand corner this time around the cloud as something else. It's indicated there, the draft is saved. That's the wonderful part about this. Alright, the draft is saved. Even for normal survey, the draft will be saved. And once they get back there, get back into the form, they can continue the whatever quiz they are supposed to do with the previous answers already there. Right, so let's take a look. All right, how do we do that? Let's demonstrate. The student can just close the quiz. All right, and then in this, once they enter into this mode again, or this quiz again, they will be asked to whether they want to continue. They click continue and just check the answers there. Yes, this is a not mode. All right, and the answers they have already filled in are available, so their answers will not be lost and will not feel miserable. Right, so this is a wonderful feature that is given by Google Form. Okay, I hope this will benefit you in terms of your maybe assessment for even informal assessment. Right, you can lock them in so that they can actually really try to answer the questions without disturbance. Okay, and still retain their answers even though they might not have saved them. Okay, and come back to it again anytime. Okay, hope you will find this helpful, and please click subscribe at the bottom. All right, and I'll see you again. Take care.